Welcome to my video series on Prague, the coolest city I've ever been to. Now, I haven't traveled the world extensively, but I've been to Kenya, New Zealand, Fiji, Costa Rica, Mexico, and all the way up the west coast of North America to my hometown in Alaska. And the idea that I could make this trip from Alaska came to me in my quiet prayer time with God one night as I pondered some major life changes and a big move I was about to make. Basically, I had a 1-week window, and I had to take it, because it involved the biggest blessing Jehovah has given me, next to revealing himself and his kingdom through the divine revelation of his word, the Holy Bible, and the one and only truth that can set us free, that is Jesus the Christ, who came to take away the sins of the world. And so I also give God the glory for the place I randomly found online to stay that was one of the most affordable options and just so happened to be in the absolutely perfect location for my needs. This is the 3 Golden Crowns Apartments, and it was built in 1484. Now, my hometown in Alaska wasn't even established until after the start of the 20th century. The loft apartment was perfectly adequate for my needs, and the staff was wonderful. They arranged for a driver to pick me up from the airport who quickly became my friend and brother in Christ, and then Martin, behind the front counter, went above and beyond expectations to help me navigate the city. In fact, between him and Jacob, the driver, they helped me get a SIM card for my phone, which proved to be critical in accomplishing the purpose of my trip. Martin even highlighted a city map for me, writing down pertinent notes that were really helpful. I basically took all his advice and it worked out perfectly.
Hello. Good morning.
How are you, Martin?
Beginning to be busy already.
All
How about
right.
you?
I'm good. Hello.
Hello.
It looks good.
Normale però.
Va bene.
Per me è più bella.